everybody, it's Julie, Tasty in Texas. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so today we are gonna make keto berry pecan cheesecake bars. Okay, so what we're gonna need is pecans, a teaspoon of sweetener, and it says erythritol. This is the organic erythritol. Well, however you want to pronounce it, I don't know. Erythritol. Anyway, it's a sugar alternative. We have a cinnamon. We have nutmeg. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that is for our crust. Now for our filling, we have, oops, I forgot the sour cream. We're using Greek yogurt. Okay, now I think I have everything. We need 1 egg, 12 ounces of cream cheese. Now I used half of this last night in a dish that will be coming out soon. So y'all stay look for that, but 12 ounces of cream cheese. Then we have vanilla. We have unsweetened almond milk. I think this is unsweetened. Yeah. And then we have a tablespoon of melted butter. Okay, now for the topping, we've got a cup of frozen mixed berries. And again, we have a tablespoon of alternative to sugar. Okay, so we're going to preheat our oven to 350, and I'm going to get my spring pan.
Saturday.
Okay, I'm sorry, I don't need a spring pan. I need a brownie pan because they're bars. And I get to use my food processor. My sister gave me a food processor a while back, and I tried to get it to working. Doesn't work. So I got a new one, which is cool. Ain't no big thing. We're gonna make it work. berry fruit sauce we made. You pour on top, and there is your dessert, your cheesecake bars. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. And we'll see you in the next one. See ya, bye.